In this video, I'll show you how to recover your deleted TikTok account. But before we start, I want to mention that you can only recover your deleted TikTok account when you have done this in the past 30 days. If it has been longer than 30 days that you deleted your TikTok account, it won't be able to recover it. So let's dive into the video right now. We're going to our TikTok app. From here, we're going to the bottom right profile section. And here we click on the three stripes at the top right. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. We click on switch account. And here we're going to click on add account. And right now we are going to select the deleted account. And in my case, it is popping up in here. But if it's not, you can click on add another account and just fill in your email and your password. And then you will be in the same screen as I'm going to be in right now. So as I already said, enter your email and click on continue. Enter the verification code. And in here you can select reactivate to reactivate your deleted account. So we click on reactivate. And that is it. Our account has been recovered and reactivated. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.